Hi, my name is Emma, head of the IB Environmental Systems and Societies course at TestPrep. Today, I am going to give you some information about TestPrep's IB tutoring service. First of all, our team consists of only IB teachers, and they teach in the most effective ways for students to get 7. This is exactly why our IB average is 37 out of 45. No matter which IB subject you take, you only study with a qualified IB teacher. We provide 4 different types of classes. First, IB private tutoring is tailored to support International Baccalaureate students. This program is designed to cater to the unique needs and learning styles of students who wish to excel in any subject. Second, small groups of from 2 to 3 students that we have created for students who study in the same class and want to take lessons with their friends. When creating these groups, we consider the level of students, not SL or HL level by the way, and recommend that they look for other options if their levels differ. Third, IB revision lessons, which include a review of all topics and question solving for seniors to get the highest score in the exam, allow you to use all the services of TestPrep. Prepare for the exam in the best way possible with IB past paper solutions, online question bank assignments, and timed practice tests. Finally, internal assessment and extended essay. Are you struggling with extended essay or internal assessment? Do you need help understanding the complex concepts of IB? If so, you're not alone. Many students face challenges in IA and EE and need a little extra help to achieve their goals. The experienced IB tutors and examiners of TestPrep know that there are a majority of students in the IB program who seeks assistance for IB internal assessment and extended essay. If you are one of them, don't worry, you are with the right institution for those particular fields. Online IB tutoring is a convenient and effective way of receiving assistance with your studies. With the advancement of technology, students can now connect with experienced IB teachers through our online education platform. This allows students to receive personalized attention, tailored to their individual learning style and pace. If you are an IB student who needs support, you can contact us and make up for all your shortcomings in a short time. You can reach TestPrep now to increase your grades and get closer to admission to the universities of your dreams. For any questions in your mind, do not hesitate to reach us.